First day turkey hunting the spot. It is opening day of first season. Oh, I haven't been here half an hour. Seen two hens come in, and they were messing with the hen, and then just out of nowhere there was a tom that came in strutting, and then he came in running, and he beat up my Jake a little bit. And I'm pretty sure that I hit my decoy with that first arrow, but luckily it didn't phase him, and I got another arrow and whacked him that second time. Oh, he's down right over here. There's still turkeys gobbling. It's the first day. It is windy. It is a crappy day. It was snowing on the way here, but I mean, unbelievable. I'm still in disbelief. Let's go take a look at him. Here he is. I did not expect to even see, let alone hear, a turkey this morning. I mean, we got 20-mile-an-hour winds. It's sleeting, snowing. It's a crappy day. We got snow coming, and they're still gobbling across the river. First day of northern zone here in Illinois, and I wasn't even gonna come today, but man, I'm glad I did. He came in early, and he put on a show. I thought that I missed the first shot, but I went and got my arrow, and there's some feathers, so he was all fired up, and he did not care. He just wanted that Jake out of his territory, and man, what a pretty bird. First day of season, can't get enough of it already. Turkey down here in Illinois, first day season. I didn't think it was gonna happen. I mean, it's snowing, got snow in my eyes. It's probably 20-mile-an-hour winds, but 15-yard shot. This old boy didn't go 10 feet. It's my first year actually using these dead meat broadheads on turkeys, and they definitely lived up to their name. It put a huge hole in this turkey. These rear deploying blades, I think, made all the difference, because you want a big hole when you're shooting turkeys, because those vitals are so small that you definitely need every advantage you can get.
Serious land managers do everything they can to grow and harvest the biggest bucks possible. Maximizing herd health is part of any good management plan. Real World's exclusive Expect Healthy Deer technology is a true game changer. Developed by professional animal nutritionists working with captive deer breeders, Expect Healthy Deer technology can help your herd by enhancing the immune system, repelling insects, improving survival from disease outbreaks. This is going to lead to increased fawn production and antler growth on your property. To learn more, you can visit realworldwildlifeproducts.com.